You are live.
Chirp a lot.
You chirping out?
Ready?
You ready?
Cool. I can't spot talking. Good morning. Sorry. Sorry.
What are you sorry for?
Goodbye. See you later.
See ya. You clever boy.
Tell someone?
Hmm?
I'm sorry, Tim. Just go ahead and kill the carrot. Love you.
I love you.
Well, I'm fine. I heard you. Birds don't talk.
What do they do, kids?
That's my kicker.
Making dinner. I love you, bird. I love you.
Birds don't smell. Sorry? I'm not well. I work hard. And seconds out, I can't.
What you doing?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? You're such a clever bird. You amaze me, guys.
Birds don't frog.
No? What do they do?
I can lie.
Yes, they fly. You are such a clever bird. Oh my. Hello.
You wanna go live?
You are live. Can you turn around?
Sorry.
Can you turn around?
Oh, what matter?
It does matter.
Yes, I do.
Come on, turn around so I can see you.
Come on, kid.
Come on,
Come on.
come on. Mm-hmm.
Fine. What's all right?
Oh, guys.
Come on.
Come on.
Can I have your kid?
Yes? Mwah.
Hello.
Hello. You good boy.
Birds don't frog.
What do they do?
It's not guy. Hey, Papa.
Did you say birds don't
Birds
talk?
don't lie.
You did. Hmm?
Goodbye.
See ya.
Hello.
Hello.
Some frogs working on it.
You just chirping out?
Come on, kid.
Kids, can you turn around? Turn around.
Hello.
Turn around. Oh my
Come
God.
here.
Come here.
Come on.
Come here.
You're okay.
You're okay.
Hello.
Hi. Kids, I can't see you.
Come on.
You turn around. You clever boy? You're a clever boy.
Hmm?
Hmm?
What?
What? Wow, 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 wow. Mm.
Sorry. What so far? Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fun boss. Come on.
You come here. Want to step up?
Come on.
Come on.
You okay?
You're okay.
Oh.
Mm.
Can I have your kiss?
Mwah.
Hi.
Hi, baby. I love you, Grey Bird.
Bird?
I love you.
Goodbye.
See ya. You're
Or
cute.
try not open. No, that can bird.
What's
Sorry,
that?
it's a lot of speculation.
Where am I?
Okay, now.
Where am I? Where am I?
Come on.
Where am I?
You okay?
I am okay.
You want to go live?
You are alive.
It's not go away. Hi, thank you.
You okay?
What you doing?
I'm cooking dinner.
Sorry. It's good to go.
It is good to go. Nearly.
Wow, 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 wow.
Bow, 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 bow. Are you tired? Aww. You tired, my grey bird? You talking and sleeping? Are you talking and sleeping? I love you, bird. Can I have a kiss? Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. You twitchy? You twitchy? Oh, he's a good boy. I'm cooking din-dins. Cooking din-dins. Can I have a kiss? Mm-hmm. Whoop.
You want to go live?
You are live. Gizmo, you're cute, grey bird. Bird, you're cute.
Chirp.
Chirp, chirp.
Try that one second. What you doing?
Mm-hmm. Whoop.
Come say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Oh my God, you're so cute.
Come on, kid.
You're so cute.
Come on.
I can just squeeze those great fellas.
I like it. You're okay.
Yeah, Jace.
Wow.
Wow. Jace, get Sunny, you okay?
No. I'm so glad.
Yes, we fly down here.
Sorry.
You should have just asked me.
Like it's not popular. You're calling yourself. Bird?
Yeah, you are a bird. You're a cute bird.
It's all cold. Oh, sorry, man. Okay, bye. Good morning.
It's afternoon now, Giz. You say afternoon. Who let the birds out?
Bird?
Jim.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Here we go. Here we go,
Chirp, chirp.
kids. Chirp, chirp. Do, 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 do.
Why am I walking?
Can you sing me a song? No song. Do, 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 do.
That's all I can.
Can you sing me a
Come
song?
on, kid.
Please? Sing me a song?
You're okay.
You're okay. Are you tired? Are you talking in your sleep? Are you tired? Oh, baby.
Oh, I should look out. Ah.
Yes, you can go to sleep. Do you
Oh,
want
why am I walking?
to go to sleep? Can I have a nap?
Come on.
You go to sleep because you've been really cute. You've been a really cute grey bird. He's talking in his sleep, I swear. Do not laugh. You go back to sleep. Do you want a pistachio? Giz, do you want a pistachio? That'll wake him up. You can have one if you want. You deserve one after that. Do you want a pistachio? Oh gosh, see? Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, pistachio? Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. He woke up then. He amazes me. He amazes me and he makes my life so much better. Did you eat it or did you drop it? Was that a naff one? Do you want another one? You deserve another one. There we go. Where you going? But I just need...
Alive?
You are live, Giz. He always asks to go live. That's his new thing. Did you have a bath up there? And that's why it's really messy and wet. He used to speak for... Where are you going? Oh, he's going to play with his toy. Which he's gonna kill that toy soon. Pistachio?
Next one.
Yes, I'd rather you take it from the bottom because you're just going to knock it down because you're eating it from the chain. You're going to knock it down. Pistachio? Yeah? Oh, you're such a... Yeah. Oh, I was going for water. Just gonna have a drink. Oh, that's not very good lighting. Hi, Giz. But yeah, he's been insane today. Insane. You've been a good boy, ain't you? Oh, now you're playing with that toy? You playing with that toy?